Pandas is a very important Python's library for machine learning, data science, and statistics. It has two data structures objects. The first one is series and the second one is data frame. Series can be compared to one-dimensional array and data frame can be compared to two-dimensional array. Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video and upcoming videos I will explain concepts of series and data frames and how will you use them for machine learning, data science and statistics. So let us move towards the screen, and in this video I am going to explain about series. So let us move towards system.
As I have mentioned that Pandas series is like one-dimensional array or a column in a table and can hold any type of data. Now let us understand it with a simple program. So I am going to write a program here. I am importing Pandas library. First line, import Pandas is pd. Thereafter I am defining a list which I will convert it into a series. So to convert into series I will use pd object. So ser, which is a series object, pd dot series, and you will pass the list. And if you print this series, so output would be here 0, which is index of 1, 1 which is index of 5, 2 which is index of 9, 3 which is index of 13. You will get this output. Now there is another way. You can pass the index of this data and you can make a customized index. Here it is default index. So and this is the data. Here series is also showing indices. Now if you want to customize this series, like instead of 0 there would be A, instead of 1 there would be B, instead of 2 there would be C, instead of 3 there would be D. So let us see that how to do that. So I am writing another program. Import, let us scroll it more, import Pandas is pd. Thereafter again define the same list 1, 5, 9, 13. Now you will define a list of indices. First index is A, second index is B, third index is C, fourth index is D. and during definition of series you will pass inside series function L and index will refer to that I list. Now print that one, print ser. Now you will get the output A, which is index of 1, B, which is index of 5, C, which is index of 9, D, which is index of 13. So these are indices, and this is data output. Now you can also access any individual element like list. So just I am writing again another program. So here I am writing import pandas is pd again you have to define list because we will use L 1 5 9 13, thereafter index list A, B here, C and D, and you will create a series like this one, pd dot series. You will pass list and index I. Now if you print it, it will print of course the above output. Now if you want to print 9, so just like list you can print ser and index of 9, which is C, and output would be, output of this print would be 9. So this was explanation about programs. Now let us move towards Python editor and see that the actual program. So here see that the program, I have defined a list having elements 1 5 9 13 and the series is created. Now let us print it. You can see that index of 1 is 0, index of 5 is 1, index of 9 is 2, index of 13 is 3. Now you can pass customize index. I commented it. Now I am removing comment, and that I am passing here index, which is referring to I now. And now see the output. See that output is index of 1 is A, index of 5 is B, index of 9 is C, index of 13 is D, and data type integers 64 bits. Now you can also access individual element of series like you access in list ser series name inside square bracket, and you will provide index. Run it. So you will see two outputs here, already series, and 9 additional output you will see, which is SERC. Now you can also see the type of Pandas series here, SER variable basically. So print type of SER. See the output here, class Pandas core series. So this is a series object. So it was about Pandas series. Hope you have understood and you will apply in your application or program or in a project. Thank you for watching this video.